2010, Higgs & Sons celebrated its 135-year anniversary, and we created the largest legal office in the Black Country when we moved 155 of our team into probably the very best offices in the region at 3 of the Waterfront Business Park, Brierley Hill. During the year, we increased business turnover and grew the Higgs team, recruiting 16 lawyers and 5 support staff. Our investments in the new staff and the move reflects the partners' strong commitment to our talented team and our future as a full-service law firm in the Black Country for business clients and individual clients.